my name is Gala. I'm going to share how I make delicious Cajun jambalaya from box called Jambalaya Girl. It's very good flavorful spice mix. In hot oil, I'm going to cook chicken thighs. My chicken not stick to pot anymore. It's time to add sausages. It brings extra flavors. I'm using andouille and jalapeno smoked sausages. I mix meat together and push on the side. Time to add vegetables, onion, bell peppers and celery. My vegetables release juice and I'm going to cook by juice evaporates. Chicken is cooked and I'm going to add 6 cups of water. Water is boiling now and I'm adding mix from box. I stir everything together. I reduce heat to low, cover with lid and simmer for 20 minutes. Before put shrimp in my dish, I inspect each shrimp one by one and remove digestive tract, even it looks like empty. My shrimp I soak for 15 minutes in a cold milk in the refrigerator. Milk removes fishy flavors from shrimp. After 20 minutes cooking my rice, I add shrimp, cover with lid and let cook 5 minutes more. Shrimp cooks very fast. I add garlic chives and let my husband taste it.
What if I don't like it?
No video.
Let me see. Smells good. Yummy, delicious. Jambalaya, good.